hey, Nation. Boy, howdy, can't get to 2021 fast enough. And right in the early part of 2021, we're talking January 7th, a educational opportunity with Phone.com and Joel. Joel, hello, good to see you again.
Hello, Harry. Good to see you as well.
So you're in the right place at the right time with the new. And my congratulations that you've worked hard in our community for over in the SMB Nation community. I'm going to say 12 to maybe 15 years you've been a community sponsor.
Correct.
And sir, your time has arrived with the new way that we work, kind of an overused phrase, but so let's talk about some updates. Let's start with compliance. Things
Sure.
we're going to talk about on January 7th. So what's going on with compliance and unified communications?
So one of the areas that we have gotten increasingly involved with over the past 3 or 4 years is compliance with HIPAA.
Yep.
We have a large number of healthcare professionals that are Phone.com users. We also have quite a few channel partners that focus in the healthcare area. We've got a couple that are just focused on the mental health area where they will package Phone.com services and solutions for their clients. It's very interesting. You mentioned the world changing. One of the challenges was that with COVID coming about, mental health professionals could no longer do one-on-one sessions. So they started using Zoom or some of the other vehicles that were available. And the problem is they were not set up for compliance. Ours is, we've been working very closely to continue to fine tune it. Features such as having to admit someone into a session. With Zoom, there were some horror stories about a psychiatrist doing a session with a patient and the next patient came in and joined the session.
Yeah.
That's not a good thing. We've looked at those areas, we've addressed those. But something else too, in terms of compliance, and I don't want to get into all of the alphabet soup that's out there like GDPR and CCPA, but as we are seeing this evolution to home-based workers, Phone.com went work from home on March 7th. We have not gone back and aren't planning on going back to our offices until mid-May. So how do you work with your employees? How do you ensure that everything is appropriate or compliant or otherwise? And we work with our channel partners, our MSPs, to ensure that A, they understand what those things are, and B, that they use it to their advantage.
Yeah, absolutely. Give us some updates at Phone.com, some highlights. We haven't chatted in a while, and this is, folks, this is an opportunity to get a sneak peek about what we're going to talk about on January 7th, 2021. What's news in your company?
So several items. We are, let's see, we're at about 120 employees now,
Wow.
which is considerable growth. And as an aside, what's interesting is that our corporate headquarters is Newark, New Jersey. Our primary technical facility was outside of San Diego in Poway, California. I live in Florida. And especially this time of year with the Northeast about to be hit with a nor'easter snowstorm, I'm really happy to be here. But something that has changed. In the past, we were mostly focused on if we were bringing in fresh talent, they had to be either in Newark or in San Diego. That's not the case any longer.
Yeah.
Because what work from home and COVID has taught us as a company and our partners, talent is talent wherever they are.
Yeah.
And so we continue to grow, we continue to add people. In addition, we are doing a complete overhaul, not just a facelift, but an overhaul of our functionality and systems. We've got some very exciting features that we believe are going to make it easier for small businesses and organizations, even mid-size, to understand what unified communications is and how it can assist them in functioning. So we're very excited about that. We will be rolling that out actually right after our webinar. So the following week, we'll be doing some major announcements, but we're already doing some prep calls with our major channel partners to show them what we're doing there. The third area that we're very excited about is that we continue to grow and evolve our APIs. We have a variety of functionality that is already available, but we have channel partners that have created CRM systems. They want to integrate them with the voice component. We do that, and we're working with them. And so let's just say there are quite a few of those opportunities. And we've really, I think, taken a cue from everything that's going on. We are becoming more innovative and more responsive. And it's a very exciting time for phone.com.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, folks, it's and the timing couldn't be better because, let's get through, have your eggnog, kiss your loved one under the mistletoe, have a little bit of fun, not too much fun. And then just about the time you get back in business mode and clear the inbox, we have this webinar on January 7th, where we're going to double click into one of the stellar opportunities in 2021. There's a handful of them, and unified communications is certainly on the short list. So thank you very much, Joel.
My pleasure.